Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna take you into my baby's dresser. I'm gonna be giving you a tour, a little bit of how I organized it. I organized it really well on Sunday. Today is a Tuesday. I show you on my stories if you follow me on Instagram, and I was like, okay, I need to stop touching my hair. And I was like, I need to show them what's in the dresser because I got some messages from you guys wanting to know how I organize the baby's dresser and stuff. So yeah, I was like, let's do this. It's now or never. It's very organized, so now is the time to do it. And yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, so this is the dresser from Ikea. It's called the hemless dresser. I'm in love with this piece of furniture. It's really sturdy, really of good quality because this is made out of solid wood. And yeah, I love it. So in here I have all of Saskia's clothing, as you will see in a moment. And on top, of course, since this dresser is in my beauty room, I have some of my stuff because this is always showing. So I wanted it to be very aesthetically pleasing, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty good, but I'm always changing stuff around, so for now this will do. So starting off with the first drawer, as you can see, this houses all of the baby's nappies. In Malta we call them nappies. I know that in America they call them diapers. So I have a lot of nappy bags. I have some baby fragrance, some castor oil, which I never ended up using, but it's there. I have some baby wash on the go over there. Then, as you can see, all my nappies are stored like this, kind of standing, because they are very easy to access. Then on this little bin right here I have some talcum powder, which I've never used to receive, some cotton rounds, and I have some backup wipes over there, and I have some muslin cloths, and I have loads of them in the wash. I can never have enough of these. I have more backup nappies at the back of the drawer, and yeah, basically this is the first drawer. So passing on to the second one, baby has all her socks over here. So in the first three little bins she has her white socks, then she has like pink socks and mittens in the second one. And in this third little bin she has socks which are a little bit thicker, which will be great for when the weather gets a little bit chiller. And in these little three dividers she has her baby grows, and they are sectioned depending on age, so newborn 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. So that's all for this drawer. I think it's really organized the way that, you know, the baby grows are rolled. I think that's very easy to reach, and they look pretty to look at as well. So passing on to the third drawer, this is a little bit of an overview. So I have shoes over here which are way too big for her, like her feet are so tiny. This was the only one that kind of fit her, but it still was a little bit big. I have some hair clips and hair ties for when she gets older. Then I have some hair ribbons and hair bows. These are so cute. I got them from AliExpress. Then at the back I have all of her headbands, and these dividers I'm showing you are from Ikea. They are called the scoop or the scup dividers. Now in this drawer I have another organizer which was from JB Stores if I'm not wrong, and we have all her tights organized in this container. Then on the side I have some more shoes. Then I have some hats over there, some more shoes at the back, and I also placed some baby bibs and also a scarf, which practically these are all new because we haven't used yet, so they're all here waiting for us to use them basically. Now in this drawer over here we have all the clothes that fit her as of now. So we have some t-shirts over here, and as you can see, these are the dividers I've mentioned. They come in a set of 6, and I find them really practical. So I have some t-shirts over here. These are so small because she's so tiny. I have another top, and I have 2 baby grows which are cute to wear as tops kind of, so they're over there. Then I got these from my friend. They're so beautiful. They are 2 dresses from Zara. Then in this section right here she has some shorts and some kind of nappy covers or like little baby panties. They're so cute. Then we have some booties over here, and at the very last container we have all of her dresses that fit her now. I decided to roll them up like this because I can see them all, and at the back we have some leggings. Now this big drawer right here is quite deep, it's at the bottom and it fits all of her clothes which don't fit her yet. I have recently gotten her lots of clothes for this autumn and winter on sale, so I placed them all over here. And yeah, this is definitely the drawer that I use on the daily. Now this drawer right here is kind of a catch-all drawer really, because it holds like random bits and pieces. So for example, I got some cards from my family and friends which are there, leftover stuff from my baby shower, nursing pads, suitors, you know, random stuff which are all on here because they fit in here, and you know, it's kind of a clutter catcher, we call it this way. She also has some toys for when she gets a little bit older, so this is what this drawer is all about. Now in this last and final drawer we have some crib sheets, I have some blankets for when the weather gets colder. These were my pregnancy belly bands. I have some towels for her, some more blankets, and some jackets which again they don't fit her but will in the coming years. So that is everything that's in this dresser. As I've said, I'm always changing things up, but so far this is really working for me. So that's it for the baby's dresser. I hope that you enjoyed this tour. I'm really loving how it's set up so far. Very practical, easy access and easy to read where everything is, so it works for me. Always, of course, organize your stuff the way that works for you, but I feel that this setup really works like a charm. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Bye bye.